my music production travel kit for 2020. All right, guys, I get a lot of questions for this one, so I'm just gonna jump right in. The first thing you need is a DAW. Logic Pro X makes music production way easier and has all the sounds built in from the get-go. The next thing you're gonna need is an interface. I use this PRESONUS 2.4 USB. It's small, has phantom power, and a super clear signal. Next up, we have microphones. For my single go-to mic, I use this ASTON Origin. It's super crisp, has a built-in pop filter, and low handling noise, so I can actually record while holding it. The next thing on the list is a MIDI controller. I like to use this. This is the KORG NANOKEY Studio. It has 25 keys and a ton of other features like pads. It's perfect for on the go. The last thing is a nice set of headphones. These are the KZ ZS10s. I got them on Amazon for like 60 bucks and they sound amazing. I even do some mixing in them. There's no bleed when I'm tracking vocals. I love them. So yeah, that's my music production travel kit for 2020. Let's make some music.